Make your own Raffaello coconut chocolate in less than 5 minutes. This recipe is natural, healthy, low calorie, gluten free, and vegan. You can make it in only a few minutes with clean, simple ingredients. You can order raw coconut butter on Amazon or buy it at any grocery store. Ingredients you need you will need raw coconut butter, a whole almond or any nut of your choice, monk fruit sugar for a sugar-free version or regular sugar, and shredded coconut. How to make it? Start by taking 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw coconut butter. If the coconut butter is too soft or liquid, place it in the refrigerator for a few minutes to firm it up. Mix the coconut butter with sugar or your preferred sweetener until it is well combined. Scoop a small amount of the mixture and roll it into a mini ball. Flatten the ball slightly and place one nut in the center. Shape the mixture back into a round ball and sprinkle shredded coconut on top. Place the finished coconut chocolate balls in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes to set. Once they firm up, they are ready to enjoy.